Hi there, welcome to my kitchen. Let me show you how I made this delicious jam squash that is stuffed with creamy beef and mushroom. So what I will do first is to wash my jam squash, and then I will cut it into half, and then I will scoop out the seeds and just throw them away. I'll scoop off all the seeds, and then I'll just place it in my steaming basket that I bought from Take a Lot. And then on my instant pot, I'm just going to add about half a cup of water, and then I will add I'll put my steaming basket in, and then I'll close my instant pot, make sure that it is on sealing so that the steam does not escape. And then on my settings, I will select pressure cook and then set it for 15 minutes. Okay, so while that is cooking, on the side here I'm going to make my beef. So I have my beef here that I'm going to chop into very small pieces, and then I have my red onion there, and then I'll just add it into my frying pan with about 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and then my spices. For my spices, I have herbs, I have paprika, I have salt and pepper, and I have garlic as well. And then I'm just gonna keep frying that like a stir fry so that it does not burn, and my stove is on medium heat, so just make sure that you keep stirring so that it does not burn. I think I fried this for about 5 minutes before adding the mushrooms, and then I keep frying all of that together, and then when it is ready, I will add my ready-made mushroom sauce from Woolies, and then I will mix all of that up, and then I'm gonna plate. Okay, and then now it is ready. Look at that, it was so delicious and it's so easy to make. If you make it at home, let me know on the comment section below. Have yourself a great day. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.